Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this when your machine has lines. When you make a copy, you can see there are two lines here. You get me? So two lines. So especially when you make copy from the feeder. So what we do when you make copies from here, we get those two lines. Or sometimes one line, sometimes could be multiple lines. So what the first step to do is get a wet cloth, right? And you come here to the scanner here on the glass, scanner glass, then try to clean it. Clean it. Sometimes it's dirty, it has some stuff you can't see. So, okay. Clean that. Because when the paper comes from the feeder, it passes here, then it gets scanned here. Get me? So if it's crazy, then you have to make sure this is clean. So, second place to go to is here. And this works on most of the printers. It's HP, it's Ricoh, it's whatever machine. So you have to clean these rollers. Rollers sometimes are dirty, so that's why we get that. So, okay. There's this. Make sure all the rollers are cleaned well. Okay. Clean also this. You can use spirit to clean this, but on the glass there you can use water, pure water. Then you make sure the glass is fine. So also you can use spirit, but don't put a lot, because sometimes that spirit or thinners it eats these rubbers. You roll it, you clean. You roll it like this. If it doesn't, then you can get on a gear like this. You can see they start moving. You can also clean all these pathways. Okay, before you make a copy, also make sure they are dry. After cleaning them, you make sure they are dry. Okay. See, there are also a couple of rollers which are done, but these might not affect. But to be on safe side, you better also clean them. Okay. Sit down here. But these ones, they don't affect because they receive the paper when you see these they don't affect, but we do clean them also. Okay, that's right. We're about to start testing. Okay, once you're done, we're gonna get this paper now and try to make a copy. Okay, it's this paper, and also make sure the paper is fine, because you might get wrong result thinking that the machine is not cleaned, yet it's fine. So now we're done with that. Okay, so you click there, it has to light here. So say exit, then make copy. Make one copy. Let's see. Okay, let's take out the dirty one. Okay. Should make a copy. What's going on here? I wonder why. Should make a copy. I'm having a serious issue with the what they call load. It wants me to load here. Load papers here. Okay. Okay, I did load. Let me see. It's gonna pick up. It's not picking up any. Can you try to help me, please? Put in there. Can you try help me? Okay. Wait. You want me to leave? Yeah, give me 1 second. Okay. Yeah, now I'm getting copies. It was getting stuck, so the copies should look proper. You can see there's no more lines here, and you can see this is the original. So that is the thing you have to do what you've done. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope to see you in the next video.